Hello everyone, we are going to see about styling in Next.js. Styling options in Next.js are CSS modules, CS in JS and Tailwind CSS. Next.js offers various options for styling your component and pages, including CSS modules, allows you to scope CSS locally to individual components by automatically generating unique class names. This helps avoid naming conflicts and makes styles more maintainable. CSS in JS enables you to write CSS directly inside JavaScript file using libraries like styled components, emotion, or JSS. This approach offers benefits like dynamic styling based on props and better code organization. Tailwind CSS, a utility first CSS framework that provides pre-designed utility class for styling elements. Tailwind CSS allows you to quickly build complex layout without writing custom CSS, making it highly productive for rapid development. Setting up and configuring styling libraries. To use CSS module in Next.js, you can simply create CSS file alongside your component and import them directly into your components. Next.js will automatically handle CSS module for you. For CSS in JS libraries like style components or emotion, you need to install the library package and configure it to work with Next.js. Typically, this involves installation of the package and configuring Babel or Webpack to handle CSS in JS syntax. Setting up Tailwind CSS involves installing the Tailwind CSS package and configuring it into your next project. You can use the Tailwind CLI to styling components and pages. Once you choose a new preferred styling approach and get up necessary configuration, you can start styling component and page in your Next.js application. For CSS module, you will create a CSS file alongside with components and use the generated class names to apply styles locally. Now I am going to show you how to create using CSS module. For that, first want to create a folder styles. Inside that I want to create a file button dot module dot css and want to create a component, and inside that button.js and I want to get a children and inside the return I am going to use the first thing I am going to use inside return. I want to get the button and the children. Inside the button I want to give a class name of styles dot button. I want to import a style, import styles from dot dot slash styles slash button dot module dot css. I have completed the button component. Now I am going to make CSS. For that, dot button background color blue, color white, padding 8 pixel, 16 pixel, and border none. Border radius 4 pixel, and then I want to give a index home page. Inside that I'm going to give a h1 button, and I'm importing a button component, and I'm going to give a children of click me. If I save this, and if I run this npm run dev, see I am getting a button and a click me. Like this, we want to give CSS using CSS modules. Next, I am going to show you using styled components. For this, first you want to install npm I styled components. npm I styled components. Like this, we want to install styled components. After that, in the button component, I want to give a children, and I want to return styled button children. Now I want to create, first I want to import styled from styled components. Import styled from styled components. Now const styled button equal to styled dot button background color red, color white, and padding 8 pixel, 16 pixel, and then border none, and then I want to give border radius as 4 pixel. If I save this, see, I am getting red color with red color button. Like this, we want to use styled components. In this example, I demonstrate how to set up and use different styling options in Next.js, including CSS module and CSS in JS libraries like styled components. Thank you.